Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of keeps stopping on the application of Google Wallet. We click on settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about Google Wallet. Then this page of app info. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store. You will search about Google Wallet. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.